All woods are home to animals, so we behaved like guests. We only looked and never touched the birds and rabbits' nests.
We live in Solikamsk. We can see the forest every day, and we destroy that.
There are a lot of ways how to do this. For example, fire. Белый снег, серый лед, рассыпавшийся земле, одеялом лоскутным на ней. О, пора еще!
Да ладно,
Полетели!
Oh, трэш.
But we are going to tell you about cutting down forests. If people need the road, they cut down trees.
If people need building materials, they do the same. If people need to get warm, they make bonfire.
If you don't believe that the situation is sorrowful, we have a lot of proofs. What can we do, you can ask?
We have the answer. People have planted new trees.
Second, people have to use alternative materials and sources of energy. To sum up, everyone should protect the forest. It is our treasure. Здесь появилось, и только после этого нам говори.
Давай, говори.
If you don't believe that